Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create your Textnow account. So first of all, I need to connect to my VPN, which I will be using Turn to Tap. So now that we are connected, let's check our connection. Alright, so we are now connected. Now I think our Play Store is saying out in the current location of the VPN. So let's alright, let's open now. This now. Let's install. So what I will do now is I will post the video, and once the installation is done, we'll continue. Alright, so after the installation, let's open our app and sign up. Let's go with Google. Allow. Now we choose. So here you choose do not use location. Good. And get the number. So you see that 215 chooses now actually available. So let's go with this and continue. So let's wait for it to show off. Oh shit, my internet. So press and hold. Let's just wait and allow it to do its thing. So after that, I just have to choose another number. So we are going with personal. Let's go with not now and skip. And here is our date now, and also here is our number right here, and that's just it. We've already getting our there's now account, and yeah, that's just it. I think that's just it. So if you have any issue, you can make a comment about it, and I will do video also about the issue you are having.